Understanding end of the show in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, end of the show. This phrase is used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, end of the show, literally refers to the conclusion of a performance or event, like a theater play, a movie, or a TV series episode. It signifies that the event has finished its planned course. Example: as the curtains fell at the end of the show, the audience erupted into applause. Interestingly, end of the show is also used metaphorically. In everyday speech, it can mean the end of an activity, situation, or a period in someone's life. It often implies that something is completely finished and there's nothing more to expect. Example: after the final exams, it was the end of the show for our college life. This phrase is also used in cultural contexts. In movies, TV shows, and literature, end of the show can signify a pivotal moment where a story or a character arc concludes. It's often associated with a sense of finality. Example: the final episode marked the end of the show for a beloved character. When using end of the show in conversations, it's important to understand the context. If you're talking about actual events or performances, it's taken literally. In more casual or metaphorical discussions, it can be used to emphasize the conclusion of any event or experience. Example: when I handed in my resignation, it felt like the end of the show at that job. Understanding the phrase, end of the show, in both its literal and figurative senses can enrich your English communication skills. It's a versatile phrase that can add depth to your conversations and help you better express endings and conclusions. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of using English phrases effectively in no time.